Hi everyone, I'm Miss Freeman and welcome to Online Singing Assembly. Today we're going to learn to sing Something Inside So Strong. But first we need to warm up our voices. For our warm up today, we're going to try a tongue twister. So that means it's quite tricky to say. We're going to change our note, we're going to try and get a bit faster and a bit slower. So we're changing the tempo, that's the speed of our music. So we're going to say red lorry, yellow lorry. Let's try and do that slowly to start with. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Got it? It's a bit tricky even at that speed, isn't it? So let's try it at that speed, changing our notes. We're going to go up in pitch, so we're going to get higher. Ready? Red lorry, yellow lorry, 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 red yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. How did you get on? It's quite tricky, isn't it? See if we can do that a little bit faster. So it's going to go like this. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. But we're going to change our notes again. Get ready. Here's our start note. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Red lorry, yellow lorry, 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 red lorry, yellow lorry. Well done. So let's see if we can do it really, really slowly. So our tempo, the speed that we're singing at, is going to be slow. Get ready. Here's our start note again. 1, 2, 3, go. Red lorry, yellow lorry, 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 red lorry, yellow lorry. Well done. So that's our slow tempo. Next challenge is to see just how fast you can say our tongue twister. Spend a few minutes practicing and then unpause me and have a go. Get ready, here's our start note. See if you can keep up with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Red lorry, yellow lorry, 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 red lorry, yellow lorry. How did you go? It's very tricky, but now we're all warmed up. We've had a bit of fun doing it. Let's have a look at the words to our song. So to learn our first verse, I'm going to sing each line of the song twice. And the second time I sing it, that's when you're going to join in with me. Get ready? The higher you build your barriers, the higher you build your barriers, the taller I become, the taller I become. The farther you take my rights away, the further you take my rights away, the faster I will run, the faster I will run. You can't deny me, you can't decide, you can't deny me, you can't decide to turn your face away, turn your face away, no matter 'cause there's, no matter 'cause there's. Okay, so that's our first verse. We're going to learn the chorus in exactly the same way. Something inside so strong, something inside so strong. I know that I can make it, I know that I can make it. Though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. Though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone. Oh no. You thought that my pride was gone. Oh no. There's something inside so strong. Oh, something inside so strong. There's something inside so strong. Oh, something inside so strong. And when we get to the second verse, the tune is almost the same until we get to the second to last line. So let's have a look at that now. So deny my place in time, it's the same tune as before. Deny my place in time, deny my place in time. You squander wealth that's mine, you squander wealth that's mine. My light will shine so brightly it will blind you. My light will shine so brightly it will blind you. And then it's straight into the chorus. Because there's something inside so strong. Because there's something inside so strong. And then that chorus is the same as it was the first time through. Let's try and sing the song the whole way through so far with our backing. The higher you build your barriers, the taller I become. The further you take my rights away, the faster I will run. You can deny me, you can decide to turn your face away. No matter, 'cause there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it, though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone, oh no. There's something inside so strong. Oh, something inside so strong. The more you refuse to hear my voice, the louder I will sing. You hide behind walls of Jericho. Your lies will come tumbling. Deny my place in time. You squander wealth that's mine. My light will shine so brightly it will blind you. Because there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it, though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone, oh no. Something inside so strong, oh, something inside so strong. Well done, that's our song through so far. Don't forget, you can go back and practice singing that as many times as you want.